Yes, guys, check in back. Welcome back to DS Family Lifestyle Vlog. Today, guys, back in the kitchen. It's been a few days since I had made a video. So today, we had some. I would say I don't even call these red snappers, but I know they're from the snapper family. So what I'm gonna do with these today, guys, I'm gonna actually make some brown stew, um, fish with some mashed potato. I think that's what I actually want to have for dinner. I already go ahead and clean them up and season them up already, as you guys can tell. Just a good old Maggi and some salt and pepper and some salt and black pepper. That's basically what I use to to season them to get them fried. And then I have the mashed potato and some natural season on this side here that I'm gonna actually cut up on the fish when I'm ready to cook it down. So yeah, I have the pot over here with some water on that I'm gonna actually get the potatoes peel and get them going in this pot right here, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe, right? And tell a friend to tell a friend. All of this, guys, is coming up in this video. Stay tuned. All right, guys, check in back. So, all right. So, what we do, we go ahead and we actually get some oil here in the skillet, and we throw some garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper in the oil. So, why reason why we did this is just to actually flavor the oil, guys. Give the oil some flavor when we're frying the fish. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna go ahead right now and I'm gonna start to add my fish in here. These fish are very big. I didn't even want to cut them in two. Yep, I think they hold. Yep, that's one right there, guys. And I'm gonna put the other one just like that. So I think I probably gonna just do them two by two, believe it or not. Just fry these two first and then actually do those two afterwards. Just to get more space. So yes, guys, just stay tuned, guys, and I will show you the process as we go by. Or when we take out these first two, then I will show you what they look like. All right, guys, let's stay tuned. All right, guys, check in back. So yeah, we go ahead and we finish up the fish. We actually get them fried up. We didn't really fry them too dry because we're not escoveaching them. We're gonna brown stew them, so we just need them to catch a little bit of color. So yeah, we finished that. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and get those potatoes peeled and washed off, and then I have the water over here that's actually about to start to boil up. And just add a little bit of salt in that, and then that should be okay. Then I have my natural season that I will show you guys what I'm gonna cut up to make to put over the brown stew fish when I'm ready for that. So just stay tuned, guys. And I will show you when I'm doing the natural season for this. But in the meanwhile here, I'm gonna go ahead and peel these potatoes here. I'll show you guys. It's pretty straightforward, right? The way how I do it. A lot of people, they have a potato peeler. I just use a knife, the old school way, like what I used to. And let's get the skin off. And these ones, guys, are the yellow potatoes. I like the yellow potatoes a bit better than the white ones. So what I do, let's go down the middle like that, guys. It's just like that. right? And if you actually, so what I normally cut them into little pieces like this, because I'm gonna use the crusher and crush them and get them in the water there, just like that, and just like that, and then just like that, guys. And again, repeat the process again. These ones are actually big potatoes, guys. I'm a fan of potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. You know, I don't know if because I am been here so long now in Canada, where get accustomed to it. But yeah, just like that, guys. Again, down the middle, right, and in like pieces, just like that. If you want, maybe can even cut this one again, like that, and then cut it in pieces like that. Because I'm gonna, as I said, guys, I'm gonna crush them, so it's okay. Yeah, just like that. I'm gonna repeat it all over again. A lot of people they use potato peeler, and you take less of the skin off it, when I use the potato peeler. But me personally, I like to use a knife. Maybe a lot of you guys probably think that I'm wasting it, but maybe if I was making actually French fries, then maybe I would, use the peeler for it. But so yeah, let's cut these in two, just like that. Get them in the water. Get them in the water there. That's one more. These are big potatoes too. In these ones, you can actually make, you can actually put them in the oven and bake them if you want, And I seen these one in the store, and I kind of like the size of them, so I said, okay, you know what? I'll grab 6 of them just for this purpose. Normally I'll buy the bag, but for this purpose, these are good enough. So yes, guys, so there you guys have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually wash them off. And I'm gonna actually, you know what, just come over here, and then I'm gonna actually put them in here, just like that. So there you guys have it. So always remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to DS Family Lifestyle Vlog. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and just share out the video and leave a comment when you watch the video, guys, and tell us how we're doing, So yes, guys, so there you guys have it. So the potatoes are in the pot now, so now we're just gonna finish boil, and I'm just gonna get the natural season and the stuff ready for the fish. So so just stay tuned, guys, and I will check in back with you guys in a bit. All right, guys, check in back, check in back. So I go ahead and I cut up the natural season them, and right now I'm just gonna saute them for a little bit, and then gonna put some of the powder season and a little bit of water in here, a little bit of browning, and then I'm gonna actually put the fish them in there. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of ketchup in there also too, right? So we have the okra, We have some carrot, onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, sweet pepper. Yeah, so these are all of the natural seasoning that we have in there. Just a little saute down for a little bit, and get them a little bit tender, and then we're gonna add a little bit of water in there and get it going. And in the meanwhile, we have the potato here. I think that's done now, but I'm just gonna get the focus on the fish right now, guys, and get it ready. All right, so let's stay tuned. All right, guys, check in back. So yeah, so we actually these potatoes here, they're finished. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, I just turn off the stove and I'm gonna get the water, strain off this, and then I'm gonna get the butter and stuff to get this mashed up. And over here, this is your fish right there, and that is actually a brown stew fish right there. Yeah, man, the brown stew fish. All right, guys. So I just stay tuned, guys, until when time we are do the plating, and we can show you guys what it look like when we put it in the plate and share it out. We show you guys what it look like. I think we have some veggie that we're gonna put on the side too. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make as yet, but just stay tuned and you will see what they look like. All right, guys. Remember, like, share, and comment. DS from the lifestyle blog. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, there we go. So this is actually what the finished product look like. Right here, that's your brown stew fish with some mashed potato and some veggie on the side there, some tomatoes and carrot, lettuce, cucumbers. So yes, guys, it's DS from the lifestyle vlog, guys. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend if you tell a friend, and always leave a comment in the comment section, guys, and let us know how we're doing. So yes, guys, that's the finished product, and thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I would catch you guys in another one. Stay tuned.